Laxmi India Finance to raise up to 254.26 crore rupees. Laxmi India Finance Limited is set to launch its IPO on July 29, 2025 with a price band of 150 rupees to 158 rupees per share. The offering includes a fresh issue and an offer for sale, aiming to raise up to 254.26 crore rupees. With a strong presence across 5 states and a growing asset under management of 1,277 crore rupees, the NBFC is backed by a seasoned leadership team, including MD Deepak Bed, CFO Piyush Somani, CBO Kuldeep Singh Sikarwar, and PL Capital Markets Uday Patil as the sole book running lead manager. Report Bilkul Online.
Respected merchant bankers, esteemed brokers, analysts, and distinguished guests, I am truly overwhelmed to stand before you all on this momentous occasion. With deep gratitude and immense pride to mark Laxmi India Finance Limited IPO, which is possible with the blessing of good wishes and of my family, LIFL family, lenders and stakeholders. As a Managing Director of Laxmi India Finance Limited and Directors of Jito Jaipur Chapter, I had an honor in working in intersection of the finance, entrepreneurship and community leadership for years. Today, it is not just a milestone, but height of journey that began in the early 1990s with the vision of my father, late Shri Tej Karanji Bed, who believed that Indian unserved and unbanked community deserve fair and timely access to credit so that they can build their livelihood and build their businesses. After his untimely demise, I assumed responsibility while I was still in school, learning the essence of the business not only through the textbooks but through the practical hand-on experience by going office on daily basis, ताकि मैं जमीन से सीख सकूं। आज मेरे पिताजी की स्टार्ट की हुई ये कंपनी 1,277 करोड़ की AUM पे पहुंच चुकी है with the presence of in 5 states of Bharat and 158 branches across these 5 states. As we step into our new phase of listing in NSE and BSE, we are in Ahmedabad to give the detail of achievement since the inception of the company. So our main target customers are NIP customers. So these customers are like perchune ki dukaan, in stationery shop, tent houses, small carpenters, aluminum factories, small aluminum factories, and these people who have a good businesses, good revenue, good transactions, but due to unawareness or due to having a lack of documents like PAN card, balance sheet, they are not able to approach the banks, but they deserve the credit. So we are there for them to help for their growth. So we have our networking branches in a rural and urban areas of the states where we open our branches and we serve these type of customers. Our maximum ticket size is 25 lakh in MSME sector, and in wheels we have our maximum ticket size is 15 lakh rupees. So we have a presence in 5 states where we open our branches. We have our sales team who directly approaches the customers, and they put those courses are onboarded through IT platform LOS, which we call them LOS, and directly they are taken care by the team members. Our 37% customers are new to credit, and our LTV stood for 49%. So we are our 98.5 book is secure. So our AUM is stood, as I told, 1277 crore, as on March 2025, and which was as compared to March 24, 96.13, which is up by 33%. Our disbursement has grown by 37% from 525 crore to 718 crores. We have 1,434 employees across these 5 states, 158 branches, where we are directly approaching the customers. As I told, our 98% book is secured, so we are very highly secured company. We have 35,568 live customers, but since inspection we have served more than 1,25,000 customers as on today. Our gross NPA stood for 1.07 and net NPA stood for 0.48. Our credit costs have grown from 1.20 to make it, we are A- rated company. Our PAT has grown up with 59% from 22.6 crore to 35.9 crores. Our gross yield stood for 21.77 and our net stood for 9.73. So this, almost it's 25 years I am into this business, and all this we have achieved by having a good team members and setting up goals. So we have set goals, keep on setting goals on every year basis, we discuss with team, and then I'm highly thanks to my team members and to management and to board members. With their help, with their vision, we have reached up to our milestones set by us. So our key strength is like we focused on MSME customers. We take collateral from them as their residential or their businesses premises as a model. Systems which the applications which we are using to control the risk. So we are very highly compliant, I can say. And our main target customers are deep rural and urban areas where we give credit to these customers. We have a strong hub and branch relation where to maintain the tag between the customer and company, and we have a very experienced management team who's leading this company, taking this company to next level. So I myself managing director, my mother and my wife is also a director, and we have a very strong independent directors with us who have vast experience in this field and have a good knowledge of this NBFC sectors and have seen a big balance sheet size since their time. So as we said that this achievement milestone won't be possible with the team, without the team. So we have a very smart, young, dynamic team who has a well knowledge of this industry and who are well aware of the process and are always in support of team taking this company to next level with very good vintage, like more than 3 years, 5 years, 6 years vintage with the company. So we have each and every department which is as per compliance we should have, and it has been highly compliant and governed company. Our key strength is like we will be enhancing our branches in the rural and urban areas to serve these types of customers. We'll keep on improving our IT side also to serve, to maintain the tag, to deliver fast, on-time credit to our customers, and we will have a lot of diversified borrowing and customers, like as we have more than 47 lenders, and our main product is MSME, which consists of 81% of the book, and then second product is wheels, which consists of 18%, and only almost 1% is a book which is unsecured, which is a personal loan or business loan with a ticket size of 3.5 lakh to 4 lakh. And on an average ticket size of a complete book stood for 3.5 lakh rupees. So we have a very small ticket size loans to these customers who deserve good credit from institutes, and so that they can also grow and be a part of a growth of a Bharat. So we are coming with our IPO, which is opening on coming Tuesday, that is 29th, and our price band is 150 to 158 rupees. Thank you. For further process, I would like to invite Mr. Kuldeep Singh.
Thank you, Deepak sir, and good afternoon, distinguished guests. As I am taking care about the business functions of the organization, I will be taking you through the how onboarding processing is all about, my presence, about my product, which we are offering to our customers. So we are MSME focused organization with having more than 76% of the portfolio into the MSME segment, which with the controlled ticket size of 6.4 lakhs per customer, and with the controlled LTV of around 43% only. We have the second largest product is vehicle, which is having around 16% of the portfolio, and with the ticket size of 15 lakhs and the average ticket size of 3.5 lakhs only. So with this, we have a strong presence in the rural and semi-urban space, where we can approach our customers, cross-sell our customers for different products. This is our USP also, that for the MSME customer, we can also offer vehicle. For the vehicle customers, we can offer the MSME loans. Our 49%, more than 49% customers are having 650, more than 650 CIBIL score. This says that we are having a strong credit history of the customer where we are considering. Together with that, we are also funding to the customers who are having the first time borrowers, you can say new to bank. So by this, we are participating in the growth of country with financial inclusion goal, and we are empowering people to be participate in the mainstream growth of the country. Our more than 98% portfolio is secured, whether it is secured by the property or by the vehicle, with the GNP of 1.0% and NNP of 0.48% only. When I was talking about that we are the MSME focused organization, we wanted to be in the same field only. We want to grow in the MSME segment more as compared to the other segment, because of the advantage of the product where the asset is appreciating and where the vehicle asset is depreciating. So that is the main advantage of funding into the MSME segment. So this is about the product line which I have already explained. We are having up to 25 lakhs product of MSME, 15 lakh products of vehicle. This is our journey so far. Here I wanted to highlight the product wise disbursement. So in 2023 we are regularly rising in disbursements every year. It was 443 crores. In last year, in financial year 24, it was 525 crores of disbursement, and last year it was 718 crores of disbursement, with 75% of the MSME disbursements. Here in this bars, I just want to explain that the average ticket size, this first bar is of MSME segment, where the product is 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs and 6.5 lakhs, 6.4 lakhs precisely in the last 3 years. So we don't want to increase our ticket size, we wanted to focus on the retail business only. And also our average tenure is almost same, and we are further reducing the tenure because this gives the advantage in the financial strength of the organization. We have a presence at 5 states currently, with 158 branches at closing figure of 2025. At the time of maturity, when Rajasthan was having highest branches, currently having 91 branches, we entered into Gujarat in 2019, and now we have 24 branches. Then after COVID, we entered in MP in 2020 with 1 branch, and now we have 35 branches. Chhattisgarh last year we opened with 4 branches, and last year we have also started UP with 4 branches. So we have around 30% penetration at district level wherever we are present in the state. It's not working, so it's okay if I'm audible. Yes. So with this, I just want to highlight that we are present at 5 states, but we have not tapped all the potential market at 5 places. So there are lot many places still untouched where we can improve in terms of manpower, in terms of branches. And again, further we definitely entered into more states, because this is only 5 number. There are many more states which are still we are not present. this is about how we onboard our customers. So we generate leads, we source customers from the marketing. We do marketing activity at branch level. We do have a Laxmi application. You can also download that from mobile Google Play Store and can refer leads to us. We run vehicle on regular basis all across. They are also generating the leads. Any customer can come to that nearby that vehicle and can give the lead, can give the application also. We have a full-fledged marketing team who are running campaign on the social media, SMS, WhatsApp, and telecalling. They are also generating leads. So all these leads are generated in CRM, and then after these are assigned to the frontline guy who is the relationship officer. And after that, these leads, these guys go to the customer place, they do KYC of all the applicant and co-applicant. So all the KYC are being verified by the Karja. We have integration with Karja. Then after we have integration with Bureau. So the credit history passed in the system, and then after this case moved to the credit team. Then credit team, after visiting to the customer place, we actually focus to take family members into the deal, so that in future no one can say that I was not having a responsibility of any loan. So all the family members are coming into the deal. So we are calculating all the income of the all family members, then after deducting the expenses of all family members, then after the residual part are considered for the loan sanction. So, and after that loan sanction, this case goes to the further disbursement. So at disbursement level, we have hub and branch model. So hub is having serving 10 to 12 branches. So all the customers, after signing agreement, everything, all documents completion, the file move to the hub location. And at hub, there are two-step process. Even in the credit also, there are two-step process. The person who is visiting is not having the sanction authority; he is having a recommendation authority. So he will recommend, next level will be the sanction. Similarly, at operation level, there are two kinds of checks. One is maker, second is checker. After checking all these things, the file is ready for the disbursement, then the payment go to the customer. After having the audit of that file, and then before that, there is a RCU also happening at all this. So with this, we have empowered our team with all IT functions, all the equipment, mobile applications, then after LOS, LMS, and I have already explained about the cross-sell strength. We are having a robust risk management and operational efficiency with the hub and branch model. With this, I just want to highlight that we are equipped with all the IT infrastructure. So starting from the onboarding of employee, we are having a HRMS where employee are managed. Then after we have a visitor application to manage the visitors at the branch level. We are having the asset management application where all the assets of the organization are being managed. Then after we have LOS with the mobile application and desktop version. Then we have LMS to manage all the loan book. And then after, to serve the customer, we have CRM software where all the customers are, all the request, all the requirement of the customer are being served through the CRM on timeline basis. After that, we have integration with iClue for the collection purpose. So any single penny collected from the customer will be reflecting on real-time basis at the LMS. We have an integration with the Microsoft Dynamics for the accounting purpose. So this is all about the IT infrastructure we are having. Few of the things are not available, like agreement signing process, which is still on a manual basis. But very soon we will be moving to the paperless journey of customer onboarding with agreement signing through the OTP-based platform. I will just highlight few things about the collection. So collection responsibility lies with the all team members. So for 6 months, collection responsibility lies with the credit manager who is sanctioning that case. Then after 7 to 12 months, the responsibility lies with the sales team who is sourcing that customer. And then after 12 months, we transfer the case to the collection team for the collection responsibility further up to the tenure. And at collection level, we have all the functions with the litigation team, the collection team. In-house, we have more than 200 people to collect. And this is all about the journey of the customer onboarding, surveys, and up to the closure after the collection. With this, I'll wrap up my notion and I'll call upon Mr. Piyush Somani to take it forward. Thank you.
Thanks, Ghalib. Good afternoon, all the distinguished guests. I am taking part of the fund mobilizations, giving a brief about that, along with the key facts and financials overview. Our interest income has been increased from financial year 24, that is 164 crores to 231 crores. Our total income has increased from 175 crores to 248 crores. Our profitability has been increased from 222 crores to 36 odd crores. Our cost to income stood to 34.69%. Finance cost to income ratio stood to 49.56%. So there is a decline in the finance cost to income ratio by 1.06%. Our earning per share has increased from 6.11 to 8.78. Our total equity, that is net worth, has been increased from 201.7 crores to 257 crores, that is 27.84% increase in net worth. Our borrowings stood to 1137 crores as on March 25th with a leverage of 4.41. Our cash and cash equivalent, the liquidity that we have in the month of March is 178.61 crores. Our loans and advances stood to 1126 crores. The balance sheet size, that is the total asset size, stood to 1412 crores as on March 25th. So the NIM has also been increased from 9.23% to 9.73%. Our yield has increased from 20.87% to 21.92%. Our profitability metrics stood for PAT per branch is 2.27 millions and PAT per employee stood to 0.25 million. Our return on equity has increased from 12.80% to 15.66%. Our ROTA has increased from 2.57% to 3%. Our disbursement per branch per employee has increased from 3.79 and 0.42 respectively. So basically, the cost of borrowing is a major concern for the NBFCs or a BFI sector company. So the cost has also been in a declining phase. So the previous was 12.06%. Now it's 12.02% as on March. The incremental cost, that is the nearly last 12 months cost, has been there. That is 11.20. There is a decline of 0.38 bps. Our NIM stood. Sorry. So we have a PSU banks majorly on a portion. I can say that the borrowings that we used to do from the banks are right now is compiled of more portion, that is 60% of the entire borrowing is coming from bank and the rest are coming from NBFCs, BFI, FI sectors. Just to update that our listed, means our debt is also listed. We have an NCD listed on the BSEs. We are working, we are having around 47 lenders with us. Two of the lenders are right now here, Mass Finance and Oiko Credit is there. Thanks for the participation. I can say that in the growth of Laxmi so far. We have a largest lender is the State Bank of India. Then other PSU banks are also there. There are 8 PSUs are with us. That is the Canara Bank, UCO, Indian Overseas, IDBI. In the private sector, we have Kotak Bank, State Bank of Mauritius, Federal, Dhanlaxmi, Bandhan, IDFC First. In NBFC space, we are having Bajaj Finance, NAB Kisan, NAB Samriddhi, SIDBI, ST Security Trading Corporation of India, NABARD, and many more lenders are there. 47 lenders put together. Just summarizing more that we are borrowing funds from various routes. I can say that there is a term loan. That is one of the, I can say that the primary thing which NBFC used to do. Structured finance that we used to do from the direct assignment, pass-through certificate we have done so far. Our NCDs are also listed on BSE that I have mentioned lastly. Lastly, I can say that for the ALM portion that we used to do is that we used to frequently do a direct assignment transactions on a yearly basis. We maintain our liquidity on an average, that is 3 months cross disbursement we used to maintain. So that's all from my side. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
What is the default rate? How many defaulters you have?
See, I have explained in my presentation about the bucket wise, but at gross level, the GNPA is 1.0% at the volume
Sure,
and the
only.
amount level, and the net out of that is 0.48%.
And what is the profile of your borrowers generally like? Especially
Borrower
talking
profile
about
is like
MSMEs.
shopkeepers, small manufacturer of small products who is supplying to the bigger OEMs, fabricators of the aluminium, steel works, service providers, transporters, small dhaba operators, restaurant operators, tent houses operator, these kind of customers.
Women borrowers?
Yes, we do finance to the women borrowers. If any woman is entrepreneur and participating to the economy of India, then we can consider the profile for the funding.
What about the safety of the data that you are collecting?
See, all the data is safe, I can say, because this is our in-house this all system are developed by the vendor with the help of in-house team with proper customization, and we take care of all the data information security. We have a complete IT infrastructure with CTO in place. So all the data, all the information is safe, and this is the responsibility of that team, and they are doing it well.
Just one more thing from my side. In addition to Kuldeep ji, so we have an AWS server is there. So we used to take a backup of all the entire data. So there is a, I can say that disaster recovery the site is there. So we used to save the data at two places, and in which case anything goes wrong, so the data is saved. In respect of the, I can say the compliance portion, in respect of the saving the Aadhaar and other PAN cards, so we are there in place. We have other security features and the license software that is there in the server, so the protection is there. Secondly, for the, I can say that the files are in respect of the physical files and the physical property documents. We have taken, I can say that the external vendors for that as well. One of the vendors, I can say that, CRC. CRC is there. So that's how the things are. Yeah, thanks.
Kindly like, subscribe and hit the bell for more such videos.